Alright, so here's how we set up this website. To start, you need to choose a theme. So as you go through, think about a theme that will match your purpose. Your purpose in this class is to show off the things that you create. So for me, I'd probably be picking something like a portfolio site, because a portfolio site is like a collection of things that you create, which is what you're doing. So maybe I'm going to start and use this one. So I'm going to choose this site right here. When I choose it, it brings me to the Weebly editor. Now, I need to do some cleaning up. The first thing I do is set up a subdomain of Weebly. That's what you're looking for. Sometimes it's at the bottom for some reason, but in this case it's at the top. This is the free version, because your site's going to have the name.weebly.com. Now the name needs to be related to this class. In another site I set up, it was example digiproductions.weebly.com. I'm going to say CMS example digi.com. What you can't do, don't put your real name on it. You're not of an age yet where you need to be publishing your real information for all the world to see online. And if you think you are, talk to your folks about it, but I want nothing to do with it. So, needs to be anonymous. Beyond that, there's a couple other things you need to do. Right here, my site. If it says my site, that's okay. But what you don't want to do is have it say something that doesn't relate. Like if it says like adventure or build or something like, no, you need to, so example digi productions. The goal is we're going to get everything off of this site that came along with the site so that everything will be unique to you. Now I might hit edit background on this header and I might replace it. The one thing you could leave is the stock background it comes with. But if there's other things, like some of them are blogs about fake people and stuff, just to give you examples, get rid of it. If it has text on the page, get rid of it. So if I go back to the assignment, what do I need to do? I need the content, all the content on my site clearly related to you showing evidence your abilities related to digital literacy. If you want to make a different site on your Weebly account at home that's about like your Minecraft stuff, killer. That's not what this class is about. So what you need to do is set up the site just so it's about this class. So user experience, your website looks neat, professional, easy to navigate, makes sense. Here's the pages. We need a home page. We need a home page that loads. So in Weebly, if I go to pages, okay, I got a home page. If I click it, looks good. Now, what else do I need? I need a photo production page. Well, I'm going to go to this My Work page, or maybe another page, and call it Photo Production. Now, because you're using Weebly, and because these are things that you're allowed to use, you could hit Edit Background and try to edit the background image, and instead you could pick a different image that Weebly has. What you can't do is go download some image off the internet and then upload it as if it's yours, unless it's totally not copyrighted. So in this case, photo production, and then we're good. I just click back, the change saves automatically. Now I'm going to make a video production page. We may or may not be doing video production in this class, but if we can, it'd be really rad. So video production, it's totally a limitation on our computers. Click back. So I've got a video production page. And then what else do I need? I need an animation page. So I'm gonna, whoop, I don't need to make a new page. I can just, oh man, I am all over the place. Now I'm going to go to this contact page and rename it animation. And go back. And now I need a My Projects page, so I need to make one more page. Plus, I'm going to make it a standard page in this case, and I'm going to call it My Projects. Done. Now in this case, I'm going to publish. When I publish, I review my domain, click Continue, and if I control-click the site, what I can see is that there's these different pages and the content is totally blank. Depending on the template you chose, there may be content that exists on there that you need to get rid of. So if there is, get rid of it. Go back, If this, like, for some reason has text on it and it pops up, get rid of it. Get rid of anything that came with this site that does not directly relate to what you're doing for this class. All right, get to it.